Let me hook you up on how I made this creamy, yummy, and delicious mango and coconut ice cream, and you will just love it. Hi there, I am Hirat, and you're welcome to my channel. So these are the mangoes and coconut I used, and the coconut I used the matured one. So I am going to cut them into smaller chunks and into a blender. I will go in with my coconut, add water, and give it a very good blend so I get a smooth puree. So once I'm done blending, I'm going to use a cheesecloth and you can use a strainer as well. So I am going to extract the milk and get rid of the chaff. But you can as well add the chaff into different recipes, okay? But I don't have time, so I will just discard it. So next, into a blender, I will go in with my mangoes and then I will add the coconut milk I extracted earlier and then add condensed milk as my sweetener. If you don't have condensed milk, you can just add sugar and you're good to go. And next, I am going to add whipped cream powder. I don't have the liquid, so I used the powdered one. Next, I added vanilla extract, and you can use any flavor of choice. Give it a very good blend till you get a smooth puree, just as you see, very smooth, like this will even tell you this ice cream will bang and kasa. So I am going to transfer it into a bowl and I noticed it was too thick. So I rinsed the blender with small quantity of water and then added it into the bowl. Give it a very good stir. Just see how creamy this looks. And this is a perfect business idea and you can just try this in your neighborhood and you'll make huge profit as well. So I am going to store them in these disposable cups and you can use ice cream popsicle bags to store them as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like this video, share this video, and make sure to watch my other videos, okay? And be sure to follow me on other socials as Hirat's Kitchen, and you'll love it there as well. So I'm going to add the sticks, and then I am going to freeze this for at least 4 hours for it to harden. And after 12 hours, my ice cream is ready. It was so rich and so delicious. Just try this ice cream recipe at home and you'll just love it. And don't forget to let me know when you give it a try in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next video. Bye.